Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, a very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life, guys. So that being said, it's early morning over here, as you can see. So my baby is over there, and always, guys, this is my house where I'm staying with my brother. So today, guys, I wanna leave right now the village for some few, maybe couple of days. It's depend, maybe I can travel maybe today and then come back in the evening by means of motorbike. So I realized when I go with the vehicle, it somehow delay. So I want to put the gas on my baby over there, and guys, wish me safe travel. So I went for the issue of 1, 2, 3, and always I want to wear the safety boot. You know, this one here. I had people complaining, hello baby, wear the boot. Yavoni, njona kitamba upanguze hapa. So I had people say, hello baby, wear the safety boot. It's just over here. It's from Italian. This one. So try to imagine this as a surprise. During the party, one of our mom from maybe UK surprised me with a safety boot. Wow, and it's brand new, but right now I'm just use it randomly here. So we have another one. Upanguze tu kwa nje, se tuzioshe. Let's say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my sister. So guys, I wanna say, guys, if you are the first time by watching this vlog, just click my videos, subscribe, share my videos to your family, share my videos to your brother and sister. And guys, I wanna say, when I get 5 people share my videos to 100 people, I will get 500 subscribers within a day. So I really appreciate for your love and support. And technically, I wanna say goodbye my house. So the time is running, and today is on Saturday. So I wish you guys, if you are a servant or SDA, I wish you happy Sabbath day. So we start a happy Sabbath day for a new month, and actually it's around 8:27. Try to imagine, and by 12 p.m. the office shall be closed. So I went to the office. So I want to take the document. Because that being said, guys, if you're watching these videos, this motorbike are not meant for the long distance traveling. If I could have the sport bike, man, trust me, you can't find me at home here. You'll see me all the way. But I'm trying to see. So I have already tell you where I'm heading to. So guys, let's take you outside and say maybe goodbye. Karuki wachiru sirku makartasi mova. Chikartasi ni very challenging chibahashi. Eh. Yes, that's my mom. Arranging for me some documents. I suppose to get out. That's my sister. That's my sister cleaning. Hapa achana na hapo. Panguza hapa hivi. Aya, panguza kile kingine. Ukiweka hapa kwa jua. Yeah. I'm telling my sister to put on the sun because it's time to, guys, it's time to hit the road. After this, I'm coming to wear the jacket, and guys, I'm ready to go. Welcome back to my home right now. So I think by next week, which is on Monday, maybe I want to resume back to finish this toilet. So I'm so tired of it because even the guy making for me some bricks, I want to pay him some money. So thank you so much, and I don't want to take you here, but when I'm going far away from my village, I will miss my project, guys, this one here. But hopefully I will be coming back. So let me take you inside my house. So I came here to say goodbye my project, bye bye. but soon I will be back. It will depend, maybe when I solve that issue, maybe today I will be back. When it's not yet, tomorrow I'll be here. Wow guys, so I want to wear the jacket because of the cold, and boots, and also the gloves. Man, I want to hit the road like crazy. So guys, don't ask me where is the helmet. I didn't have the helmet right now, so I'm just riding my motorbike randomly, guys. Wow. Woo. Let's see. This is where I'm coming from, and everything super amazing. So in future, this tree, maybe next year, I will cut all down trees. I'll cut them, all of them down. So I want to plant some flowers here, because these trees are not good maybe near the house. It's have long roots like this one here. I will cut them down. Wow. Guys, are you ready for this? For me, I'm so grateful. Yesterday evening I told you maybe I would travel maybe from my village here for 1 day or 2 days, but it depends. And actually for me, when I'm going for 1 day, by tomorrow morning I'll be back, because I have a lot of things to do around my home here. And also, man, it's so crazy. If you're watching my previous videos, when I'm traveling, maybe the vehicle, every station stop, station stop. So I'm trying to use the motorbike, so the time is running. I have around 4 good hours driving from here. 4 good hours. So for now, let's see. Wow. I want to come back inside my compound, and technically to take my baby outside. Muita, no negas. Oh, nakapenda tu negas tim ke songuru cho kipi. Nakapenda no songo to negas cho kipi. Eh. Tipo ko tray here. Okay, I'm telling my brother if he was maybe busy enough, he could take my baby outside. So guys, I want to check the cow here, because my mom told me make sure that the cow is okay. He doesn't interfere with my neighbor's sweet potatoes. I'm telling you this one here. So I want to check them, and also just over there I'm going to check that one. Wow, I will miss our cows, guys. Wow, it's a nice cow. I'm telling, they're chilling and relaxing. Wow guys, so my big aim is to come here and check this one. It's okay because it's alongside with these Irish potatoes. Wow guys, so randomly, let me check my neighbor who makes some bricks for my mom's dream house. So I'm rushing there, so I want to see the progress, how he will make the bricks, you know. So imagine from my home to my neighbor, when I'm going this way and then go that way. Actually, I'm heading to my neighbor right now. Guys, I feel so good when I see maybe 1,000 people watching my videos. I will feel so good, and by dropping sweet comment over there, I feel so good. Through your support by watching my videos, I could manage at least to build my mom 3-bedroom. Guys, I'm telling you these things today, and I think that I'm joking, but by next year, by God willing, you shall see the progress. You trust me. So I'm heading this way. Wow guys, actually I'm in a hurry, so I don't want to delay, because after this I'm heading to Border Town to put gasoline on my baby. Wow, it's 0834, man. And try to imagine, I have 4 good hours by driving. You know, it's a crazy situation. So I want to wear full jackets, gloves, and also boots. Wow, This is how my village looks like. And over there, there's a finger millet plantation. Wow. Let's see whether my neighbor is making bricks. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. What a bad day. Even today he didn't make the bricks. But let's see. And I think anyway by tomorrow when I was passing here, he was making the bricks. But because of the lack of putting paper to cover that bricks, I want to see. But hopefully I see from the far end. Yesterday he was making bricks. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Anyway, you will see the progress. I'm telling you. Wow. Wow guys, you see that? Huge progress are going on. I'm telling you. There's the bricks there, almost 3,000 and above, 3,000 plus. Wow. Taking it back here. Oh, yesterday he made this one. It's almost 400 to 300 bricks. So this is how they dried here. And Robbie, he made that bricks from this place because that sand from there I didn't like too much. I like this place here. Wow. So you see, this is the muddy he made from here, and also he take the bricks there. So it's a kind of a reddish sand. So I like this sand. Wow. So man, 10,000 bricks to go. And also he was a good guy. He would add me 1,000 bricks on top because of maybe when I delivered, to avoid maybe when one breakage, that extra 1,000 he will cover there. Wow. Because of time I didn't found him, and for me I came to check my project how it's going. So that being said, the reason why being my neighbor make for me the bricks here guys, technically you have the borehole right there. You see that container? That's the borehole there. Wow. So mathematically you do things which are very unique. And over here have the blocks for our neighbors here. See that one? That's the blocks over there. Wow. So guys, right now I'm going to take my baby, so stay tuned. When I'm coming out from my home going to Border Town, you will be there by watching these videos. And I wish you happy Sabbath day. If you are a servant day, may God bless you by watching my videos until the end. And guys, maybe today you will get these videos earlier. Today you wanna get these videos earlier. So keep it tuned. More amazing videos coming. And I'm coming from down from my neighbor over there, so I'm rushing home guys. I wish you a good day. Stay blessed. Oh guys, this is my bag over here. We're calling SWAT. This one here. So I want to wear my jackets right now. I'm telling you guys. Oh. Man, this is my struggle of my life, to make sure that my family putting something on table. Sometime I'm outside, sometime I'm back home. Man, what about when I'm traveling? Oh, so I want to wear the jacket because the time was so limit. Imagine I have 4 hours by driving. What a crazy thing. Oh, oh. I want to arrange myself first. Oh. And my boots like that. Like. So I want to take the gloves. Or, no. So right now it's a kind of a hot. Like. Let me wear these boots here. I'm telling you. I want to hit the road like crazy. Papi. Abisema kama kasi mutanenge mutake kore hayo. Aragi kundikire ne raro lirimoni.
Age toda magone.
Mama nsimu kubita wahi bita ko hakya tulipona yansu kaki kundikire. Papi. This is my papi here, guys. Wow. So it's time to wear the boots. It's time to wear these boots. Wow. So guys, sorry for that. I want to wear this boots right now when I'm hitting the road like crazy. Oh. Wow. Woo. Well, guys, so let's see. I want to wear another one and then I take my bag and also the documents that I needed, and then I'll say goodbye mom, goodbye my family right now, guys. Just a minute. Anyway, guys, so I want to take the document. So they're on this we're calling what form what. You see, guys, so let me show you. No more hide. You see, this is the document, and actually I'm hitting on the road. Wow. So I want to put inside here. Oh, like that way. Really. Bye. And then, guys, after closing like that, I'm ready to go. Oh. Mama tuonane, kwaheri. Kwaheri baba. Guys, I'm telling my mom goodbye. Maybe nitarudi kesho ama leo. Yes, guys, I'm telling my mom maybe I will come today or tomorrow. It depends. Guys, that's how I go. Me, I'm telling you. That's how I go. My baby just over here. I'm going to put the gas and then Muita! Ajul sisi netachi konchera hivyo. Yes, I'm telling my brother to take that puppy. Tahiri sisi no nyumbuki seki. Achoki tiyo kinyi konchera montaki nyori one way. Tahira mu. So guys, it's time to go. Wow, guys. Okay, guys, I'm hitting the road. So right now I'm heading to Border Town to put the gas, and then I'm ready to go, guys, like crazy. Maybe, guys, I will meet you on my next destination, but I can't maybe vlog too much on the road when I'm driving, but I'll show you a little bit and then I'm ready to go, guys. So we shall meet with you on the petrol station. Okay, guys, I want to show you a little bit, and actually I'm heading to Border Town. I want to put my baby some gas here, because when I'm hitting the road, it's like crazy, I'm telling you. So that is it, man. And yesterday's videos, I was showing you my Roman Catholic Church over here. Go and watch them and you will see. Wow. Whoa. Let's go up to Border Town. You see that house there, guys? I'm telling you, one day it could be my dream house. And on the way, I'm escorting my friend here. See, that's my friend over there. You see? Nice house, man. Whoa. New petrol station here. See that one? Oh, guys, this is Border Town here. People are taking fish. So this is Border Town, guys, and after this I'm heading to petrol right now. Police station. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, you see, it's a bright morning in Border Town right now. Oh, wow, nice. Woo. Another petrol station over here. You see that? Let's move on. I'm coming to put there maybe the gasolina tank. Whoa. Anyway guys, we shall meet on the next videos when I'm putting the gas right now, and I'm telling you, put the gas for around 7 USD, so just about 1,000 Kenyan money. Unachi mafuta naenda mbali. Ukishalizika na hela. There's 1,000. Hai. Ishuke. That's how I go. That's how I go. That's how I go. It's a crazy adventure, but I'm not a mission, guys. So, that being said, you will get my videos maybe in another way. Wow. So let's go. So stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video when I reach the goal. You know? Wow. Well guys, so right now I'm approaching Migori. So I'm heading to hit on the big town. So currently, I'm in Migori town right now, so I'm just driving, you know. Look at this taper. Wow. So when I'm reach at the big town, I'll show you. So this is the entrance. Wow guys, I'm telling you right now. Whoa. So I have like remaining 3 hours by driving. So I don't want to delay time because that office will be closed with some few hours guys. So imeshika. Oh guys, so one day I will I will launch this called Florence Hotel. It's a nice hotel also. The one that you see there. Guys, so this is Migori. So right now, and yesterday I was being here. So technically I'm hitting the road guys. Yesterday I was on that hotel there. This one here, so remaining 2 hours to go. So that being said, 2 hours from here to go guys. And I can tell you here on today's vlog, subscribe guys. Wow, see? So I'm in another town here. It's the parking area. Wow. So guys, stay tuned. So as I hitting on the road, wow. At the far end you have the roundabout. It's a roundabout here, I'm telling you. See? We go round. Oh guys, I'm on the road and I'm remaining with some few kilometers to hit another, some few meters, I mean, hit another town. We go to Rongo town, guys. You see road? Wow. Look at. And guys, if you are new here, this is where we call it Rongo, guys. Woo. The way bridge here. That's a way bridge, African way bridge. Whoa. Even these tractors are coming from that way bridge. That one there. See? Construction going on. Wow. Telling you. So guys, I want to give you exactly the time from here to where I'm heading to. Oh guys, because of time and I was rushing, so I started my journey at home from 9 sharp, my local time. So right now it's 10:21. I ride almost 1 hour up to here. So from here up to I'm heading to, I will reach around let me say 11 a.m. So the office will be closed around 12. So you see the exact time that I was riding from here. Man, I'm trying my best. You see even my eyes is red. Wow. So I'm keep grinding hard, I'm keep going. And guys, if you made these videos, please share to my family, enjoy my vlog. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on this vlog, guys. So my baby just over here, and man, this journey it's long, not a crazy situation. I have the boots. You see that's the boots. So maybe I see maybe people ask, hello baby, where are the boots and helmet? But right now I'm so sorry, no helmet. So guys, keep it locked. We enjoy this vlog. When I'm hitting there, I will show you that town. It's a big town by itself, and it's a clean town, guys. So be blessed, man. Well guys, once more I'm at another town we called this is a Kisii town, man, but there's another word, so let me try to look. See, there's another word here. Okay, we go to Bosongo. This is called Bosongo. This is a Kisii, but I'm heading to the main town. I'm telling you. Wow. See guys, all over here. They're making beds there. Wow. Oh, today's a market day, man. Old cars. Wow. So for now, I'm running with around 30 minutes for 40 minutes from here. The next. It's a nice road. It's 2-in-1. So when you are going up, you use this one. When you're going this way, you use that one there. That is it. See even that vehicle. So no jam here, man. No jam here. I'm telling you. See. Wow. Guys, show your son, show your brother some love. Woo. Show your son love, man. I'm telling you. I'm on the way. Oh guys, so I thank God. God is good. I'm almost around, almost. Look at this. Wow, guys, I'm almost. So I'm remaining with some few kilometers from here to meet on that beautiful town, man. Wow. And, you will see when I reach that town. I will show you. Hey, and now it's, oh, this is Mount Kenya University. Oh, a branch. Oh man. Wow. So technically you can see how the roads were being. No jam alongside the road. Wow. You can see. I'm telling you. Look, even on the side. People are looking at me as if I'm lost. But I'm vlogging my videos. Wow. You see the house, and I see at the far end some how we call it? We call a tall building. Look, wow. See over there? There's a tall building, man. It looks like a palace. Hey, hey. When I see this house, it reminds me I'm almost there. Guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? I'm telling you. So I ride 3 hours from home up to here. Wow. Wow. And technically it will be 4 hours, but in terms of my speed, man. Oh, new machine. Hey, hey. So here I must be very careful. We have the roundabout. See the road? Look at that machine, man. I'm telling you, one day, what? Hey, hey. On the other side, we have a road down. It's like a highway. You have down, you have upper, man. Oh, you see, that's another road. Let's go. Wow. I'm telling you, man, this journey is not easy as you can. I hit the road like crazy, man. I'm telling you. Oh, see? Wow. And I'm trying my best to show you where I came from. And look, guys, they are real developed. What about when I'm reaching on the town, on the real town? I'm telling you, wow, super amazing. It has a nice view. That vehicle, wow, that's a small car. Hey, when you have $8,000, you will have that car by your own. Mechanics, man. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Wow. You see, guys? But sorry for the windy. When I'm reaching there, I'll show you. This is not a market. is not a town. I'm telling you. Let's go. Whoa. So guys, because of the vehicle and motorbike movement, I want to avoid maybe vlogging here. But it keep pushing me, man. Look. Look. Whoa. It's a nice one. That's how we go. So I'm lucky enough. Today I came on market day. Wow. Wow guys, so I'm keep going, and right now this is Kisii town. You can see guys by yourself. Whoa, amazing one. So I'm walking on the street of Kisii town. I'm telling you guys. Wow. So let me know what do you think about today's vlog guys. It's amazing. I'm telling you. Whoa. It's amazing by itself. Serious. Whoa. Oh. I'm telling you guys, it's a clean town by yourself. Woo. Hey, let's walk on. Woo. Hey, Range Rover, man. What? Hey, hey. If you know, you know. Wow. Wow guys, and here you must be very careful. There is some government places you're supposed to be very careful. Wow. But I'm keep going that way. Wow. You know? Whoa. Let's go. Wow guys. Man. Wow. Hey, hey. Guys, I'm walking on these streets here, and at the same time I'm trying to look the food to eat. Wow. Hey, it's a clean town. I'm telling you. Wow guys, business everywhere. Wow, wow. Oh, business everywhere. Kuna mayai? Hai. Unauzaje?
Hai ni 30.
Si 25? Si 25? Haya, nikatie mayai. Kuna kachumbari? Hai. So guys, I want to eat egg as I continue with my journey going this way. With some eggs here. Pasua moja rafiki.
Moja. Hiyo ni content ya TikTok, ya Facebook, ya YouTube.
Ya YouTube.
Wewe ni YouTuber?
Mimi ni YouTuber na hustle.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sirari.
Sirari? Yeye ni kujituma. Kenyan?
I'm a Kenyan.
Atumari mingi. Ndio nataka kuendelea kuongeza ingine.
Piga kati hapo. Love the meeting. Hapa tuna hustle tu barabarani hivyo. Imetosha rafiki. Tuna hustle tu. Wow guys, I'm hustling on the street. Asitumia gizo niko sawa tu. Sikilizie utamu. Guys, this egg here. Oh guys, I was tasting that eggs and it tastes so nice. Wow. So I'm keep going. I'm telling you. Ooh. Let's go. So oranges here. I'm telling you. Wow. I hope guys you will enjoy these videos up to the end. Look. Wow. So I'm keep moving on. Woo. We sold Cape here. Oh. I'm telling you, these streets are very clean, guys. But business all over the world, everywhere, it's business. Clothes show. Woo. I'm telling you. So you must be very careful with government places. Whoa. It's going up to that way, man. A nice bag over here. Let's move on. Sold banana. Woo! Hey, hey. Guys, are you ready for this? These videos, it's all about positivity, guys. Moving on. Ooh. This butter shop here. Wow. Woo. For me, I'm just passing here and I'm heading to somewhere else. Wow. For the first time maybe, guys. I'm telling you. Oh. Wow. Ooh. Guys, I'm remaining with some few 100-meter apart to hit the government place, so we shall meet on the next videos when I'm reaching on the other side. Wow. Well guys, so I left the government place. Oh, I'm telling you, man, I left the government place, so right now I'm keep heading down. Well, I realized that when I'm facing on the other side, somehow you can't see me clear. So today I just over here, you see, I came, guys, with my baby here on this town. Try to imagine, it's crazy situation, but I'm heading this way. Well, let me show you. I must look left, right, center. Nice. It's brand new. My baby just over here. No, no. Oh guys, so I came to check my bike here. That's this one here. This one. Oh, this one here. And it's brand new. So it's sport bike. Ooh. Like for us here, guys, I'm telling you. Down there. And they have a lot of bike. Today. Well guys, so I'm just over here, and guys, after reaching Kisii town, I'm supposed to visit one of my friend. When I start maybe my YouTube channel, there's a time I came here with around 45 subscribers, guys. By now I'm 5,000 plus subscribers, so I came to say hi and to see how her mom is doing. Labda tare utanipa matoke niende nayo.
Yeah, by the way.
Okay,
If
okay.
I knew that you were coming today, so guys, thank you so much for having me on your channel. My name is Brian Vlogs, and I'm from the village here in Kisii. This is my friend, Hello Baby. They came here last year, and I gave them shelter. And since then, we have never met.
And guys, free accommodation.
Yeah, it's around 1 year
1 year.
since we last
So
saw
I
each
came
other.
here in the month of I think April.
Yeah, around April last year.
April, because I opened the channel on March
Yeah.
2023.
And you were having around less than 200 subscribers, yes.
No, I have 45 subscribers.
Yeah, 45.
When I go back from here, I have around almost 50 something subscribers.
And I was having more than 700 subscribers, and still I'm stuck. But
You're
I'm
just
growing.
working so hard,
Yeah.
and for me, I'm just make video every day and tell my people just subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your friend, and then maybe these videos I can get maybe around 5 subscribers, 10, and then I just improve myself.
Yeah, you have done so much hard work, and I thank you so much for visiting me. I'm so glad. It's been a while. And I'm so thankful for that. Yeah, I hope everything is okay back at home.
Yes, because of church, you can walk this way.
So you can see my village. Has it changed so far?
The only thing changed is maybe banana plantation
Banana, yeah, they
and
were so
napier
small.
grass.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Imagine 1 year, because that time we were constructing the road.
Yes,
Yeah.
I remember. And guys, try to imagine, there is manga here.
Manga Hill. Yeah, we went there, and maybe
When I lost,
if you
I
not
go
went-
there,
Oh,
and then I say, oh no, I have lost myself,
Yeah,
and then I come back.
maybe if you had made a call earlier, if you had time, we could have done maybe a venture of that place. You know, even
Okay.
me, I've never gone there since last year.
Okay,
Last year December.
next time when I come back,
But
you
this
take me to
holiday, I'm
Manga
planning
Hills.
to head there, yeah, and have some good time with my friends. Yeah,
Okay, introduce yourself. This is your time.
I'm Brian Vlogs, guys, and thank you so much for coming to Hello Baby's YouTube channel. Kindly, if you want to support me or maybe subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll be thankful. And yeah, and I have amazing vlogs on my channel, and I'll be showing you the views of the village.
Guys, it sounds good. Brian
Vlogs.
Vlogs, and you're doing vlogs right now.
Yeah, Brian Vlogs. Yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah, the first time I don't, maybe if you have prepared me earlier, then maybe I could have even maybe slaughtered maybe a goat for you.
No, don't worry
But
about
maybe
that.
make a plan. You come maybe during the holiday, December holiday.
Maybe the only thing that you give me, but I don't like matoke. My mom likes matoke so much.
Oh,
because
Ndizi.
she's a Kisii.
Oh,
Yes, you know my mom is your tribe.
oh,
Yes.
from which side, Nyamira?
I think from Awendo, we came to Ndonyo.
Oh, okay, maybe side Suneka.
Other side, Suneka.
Yeah, I think so. Suneka, probably.
Suneka, you know Nyamarambe, and then from
Yeah,
Nyamarambe,
yeah,
you go to Ndonyo.
Yeah, that side.
That region.
Oh.
Yes, Nyamaiya.
Nyamaiya.
Yes.
Oh, that's in Kisii, guys. Wow.
Yes, I was looking this place here, and then I said, okay, this is the road that's going to your home.
Remember this river?
Yes, I remember, guys.
It's amazing. This is where we fetch our water from.
Maybe
Especially
for washing clothes.
washing, even kettles can drink the water. You see someone drinking over there.
Yes, I realized when water is running, there's no problem.
Yeah, yeah. It's very clean. Yeah. Maybe I give you a glimpse of the village before, because you're in a hurry.
Yeah.
before you go.
Maybe I can find matoke.
Matoke, yeah, you'll get one for sure.
So I take these are goat, guys. I'm telling you.
You know, like this one can go for around even 5,000 shillings up to 6,000.
Which one?
This goat.
5,000.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Hey, it's long time, man. I'm telling you.
It's been long. It's been
Na
so long.
nikienda hivi afu nienda hivi.
Hapo sasa unarudi town. Ukienda hivi.
Ndo naenda town nikienda nyumbani.
Hii
Ni
ni
wakati-
shortcut. Hii ni shortcut.
Nimeenda hivi.
Ukienda tu
Ni
hivi.
barabara gani nimetumia? Nilitoka hivi, nikaenda direct. Sasa kupita nikaona jamaa akichunga hapa. Sasa hapa si penye nikaenda, nikafuatilia factory. Kumbe factory iko huko.
Factory iko hapo.
Yes guys, I'm telling you there is some factory there. So since I came here, I master only factory.
Yeah. That's a coffee factory, and we also have a tea buying center. Yeah. But the coffee factory is working.
Even right now.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
Yeah. It's been long.
Everywhere is green, guys. I'm
Hey.
telling you, right,
When you
left.
go back home, you say hello to your
Mom,
mom and
yes.
Masubo.
Masuba actually he was in Nairobi right now.
Mm.
Yes.
Oh,
He was in
okay.
Nairobi.
Wow. For me, I'm still in the village. You see, I'm still working hard.
Even me, I'm still on the village.
You see, I'm
Yes,
doing
maybe.
farming.
Yes, maybe you can go back.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and then show me your pottery a little bit because today is on Saturday.
Yeah.
We have the church service.
Guys, because today is Saturday, my brothers and my mom, they are all in church. So I'm just left alone. I was taking care of my poultry, and that's why you came and found me doing a live stream.
Yes,
Yeah.
guys.
So I'm gonna take you there and you see.
Oh, guys, maybe here. Guys, this brand vlog. Kindly go and subscribe.
Subscribe
Only
kindly.
guys, you look for the watching hour. Even you can watch 100 videos or 10 videos full length. You can promote him by watching hour, guys.
Yeah, I'll be so thankful. Yeah.
Wow, guys.
You know something amazing about this village is the trees, even the
Look.
clean air. You can feel it. It's sunny. but
It's just
honestly,
like
it's very cool.
Yeah?
It's cool because the wind now from this lower side is heading to the hill.
to the hill.
Yeah.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
Okay. Or you have the monkey here.
No, that's not a monkey.
Okay.
Just a,
Guys, I'm planning one day to come here and then to show you the manga hills.
yeah, maybe even you can do fishing in the river. You know, we also do fishing.
Here,
Yeah, we do fishing here.
kuna samaki hapa.
Yeah, tilapia.
Oh, mud fish.
Mudfish, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, I'll take you to the project for Brand Vlog. And he has an amazing project, guys, ever.
Yeah. I started it around, it's been almost 1 month. That's when I started it. And I've been working so hard so that maybe by next year, maybe things will change.
Yes.
Yeah, you
More
see
things
me
will
traveling.
change.
You see me traveling, maybe having a good camera for my videos. And also maybe meeting you and also visiting you. Yeah, because you know poultry farming nowadays, if it's commercial, it's earning you a lot of money. You can sell eggs, you can sell maybe hens, and right now even a cock is going for 1,500 shillings.
1,500. Imagine when you have around 100 cock,
And in
you have
Nairobi,
100,000.
imagine you have $1,000.
$1,000 if you have 100 cock in our village.
Imagine. Even here. And in Nairobi, it goes for 2,000 shillings.
You just assume sell in local village here 1,000.
Yeah.
100 cock
No,
you have
here-
1,000.
Here in the local village, we are right now selling at 1,500.
Imagine.
Yeah.
Oh, less than 1 year or less than few months.
6 months only.
Yes, couple of months you will be a millionaire. Yes, so this is the walkway, guys, here.
You can even maybe build that idea and maybe bring it to your back at home, at your own home.
Okay, for
Maybe
me-
a project for you, or you don't like
Me, I like the project, and the moment I build my mom dream house, I'll start maybe a small project like poultry farming.
Oh wow,
Yes.
that's good of you. Thinking about your mom, the best thing, you know.
Yes,
Our moms comes first.
yes. Before me, I build, I want to make my mom to be proud. Even right now, I just maybe fixing the tiles on the toilet.
I saw that video.
When I finish up,
David Junior.
yes.
I did see that video, and it's amazing progress that you're doing. You see, at least everyone is out there, maybe looking for life and also hustling, keeping themselves busy. Yeah, that's good.
Guys, the crazy thing about Kisi, it's hill.
Hilly
Look.
everywhere.
Hilly, guys. I'm telling you. Look,
Hilly and so many trees. So many gum trees.
look. Wow.
So many gum trees.
Oh.
So this is where I stay.
Yes, I remember you host us on this house.
Yeah. We slept the whole night.
And that's your uncles.
Yeah, those are my uncles.
Yeah, they are rich. I'm telling you. I mean, let's go to Rarhap.
Yeah, tulilala hapa.
Na hapa,
Masubo walilala. Lucas Masubo walilala.
mimi na wewe tukalala huko.
Pesa man.
Na pesa man.
We slept.
Okay, this uncle's place. They are staying. You see, guys, my baby is here. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I like it.
All the way.
I've
All the way from Border Town up to Kisi, guys. How many kilometers?
Very good maintenance.
Yes, I do for the service.
KMFG.
Hii ni ya kitambo. Ndio ilifunga chapter.
Very nice.
Yes, for me, I wanna
You
say
can also paint it with
no.
black, or you don't want that.
So the only thing that I do is to change the tire of front tire because it went bad. Oh, guys,
Maybe one day you teach me how to ride a bike. Imagine I don't know how to ride a motorcycle.
you will know. You will know. Guys, we have the dog here.
Its name is Simba.
Simba.
Yeah.
You know,
Its name
Simba
is
means
Simba.
lion.
Yeah, lion.
I mean,
very
now-
big. No. It's friendly. It's friendly. You see?
Okay, guys, let's show you how they start maybe the project before we go on the big project.
Okay.
Wow.
So I start with the small ones or the
Yes,
big one?
small one.
Oh,
You
okay.
explain how maybe.
So these small ones, I have I did prepare a brooder. A brooder is somewhere where the chicks stay. So
This
I
one
went,
is a brood.
yeah, this place now you call it a brooder. So I went and bought the sacks from the market, and I laid them down on the ground. You can show them.
The sack is this one here.
Those are the sacks. So I only bought 2 sacks for only 300 shillings, and then bought sawdust. That from not that one.
From the carpenter.
Yeah, from the carpenter, and
Yes, to gain heat.
yeah, to retain heat and also to stay warm. So after that, I came and I'm studying electrical engineering, so I'm an electrician. I came and fixed the wiring of the.
Yes, guys, you can see the bulb
they
just
stay.
over here.
Yeah, we also have that one, and we have this one. This is called a heat lamp. It's for the chicks. Maybe because
When the
of
power went off, it still heat.
yeah. This one retains heat even when the power is off. You can even retain heat for some few minutes, even 10 minutes. So maybe for demonstration, if you want to, I can show you. We place it there.
Sure.
So this one I bought it for 600 shillings, and just like that, I came and fixed the wiring. So right now I'm fixing this. Let me fix it. Oh, yeah, just like that. It's very hot. You can even feel your hand from below. It's very hot.
Guys, I'm telling you, it's very, very hot. Guys.
Yeah, it's very, very
And
hot. Yeah.
that heat circulates inside.
Yeah, it circulates inside. When it's very cold, they just come and sleep around the light of this heat lamp.
You see?
Yeah, and the chicks were weighing for 110 shillings
This one.
each. Yeah, 110
So we
shillings.
use around 10,000.
Yeah, around these are 135 chicks. So they went for around 15,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, and I also bought the drinkers. This one is for water. The baby chick drinker. This one is for water. And I also bought the feeds.
Okay.
Feeds, they're over there.
Now, guys, you see when the chicks are drinking water.
The chicks are so happy and excited. And they're so healthy.
It has how many months?
Imagine these chicks, They are only 4 days old.
Oh,
And I was given them when they were just babies, only 1 day old. So they were
When
so
it's
fragile.
hatched.
Yeah. They were so fragile, imagine.
okay. Try your best.
Yeah.
So this is the food,
Yeah, this is the feed.
and it's 50 kg.
Called chick mash. Chick
Yes.
mash.
It
and
costs how much?
36 shillings. 3,600 shillings. 3,000 Kenyan shillings. 3,600 Kenyan shillings.
Okay.
Yeah. That's
Wow.
what I give them.
Oh guys, you want to show you another big project, and I feel like I could end my video here. Njoo tuoneshe kwingine.
Yeah, come inside. Come inside.
Okay. There's a door here.
Yeah, there's a door here.
If
You can come, feel free.
oh,
Just enter inside. Let me.
yeah, I'm okay. You can enter
For
because
the
I wear the
purpose of
shoes.
demonstration. Yeah.
So this has how many days? How many months? Or,
So these ones, they are just 1 month old and 1 week. Yeah. So those are 6 weeks. 6 weeks old.
So how you manage to treat them?
This one I go to the agrovet and I buy some vaccines and I come and give. Sometimes you can give them oro, or sometimes you can place them inside the water, just like that.
So you can give my friend, give them food. It's still hungry. Look,
Yeah, I've just given them food. You can even touch their nini here.
whoa,
Yeah. You see?
how many
Feed.
kg?
I don't know how many kg,
Yes.
but they are full. So maybe the next feed will be around maybe 2 p.m. in the evening.
Okay, maybe one day. I think maybe from February,
Yeah.
I'll come and then you give me like 5 of them
5.
for laying eggs only.
No problem. That will be so good of you.
Yes, I will promote you
Yeah.
by buying.
So guys, I'm going to keep 5 of them for my
At
friends.
this card,
Yeah. They're so nice. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, they're so nice like this one.
like that one.
Okay, no problem. I'll keep them.
Okay, Brian, let's go. Yes, guys, this is the project for Brian Vlog. Imagine, guys, he managed. Hey, it's dark here. Hapa huwezi hata onekana. Woo!
It's dark right now.
Sasa mimi hapa itabidi niende. Unaonaje? Kama hakuna ndizi acha tu niende Brian, sikusumbu. Sababu it's raining time from now.
Yeah.
You see, guys, the cloud. I want to rush up. Keep
So thank you so much for visiting me, and thank you so much for also seeing my project and also congratulating me about the same. And at least you have given people a tour of my village. I'm so thankful.
Yes, we give a random tour,
Yeah.
but when I came, maybe seriously, we done a lot.
Yeah, today was impromptu.
Yes.
We never planned for this.
Yes.
For me, it was a surprise.
Me, I was going to Kisii town to make my own issue, and actually, guys, this is the 4 times to be in Kisii. So today, for the 4th, I said no, I must visit you maybe at least for some few minutes,
Yeah, thank
and then
you
I'll
so
go
much.
back home.
Thank you so much. So guys, if you're watching this video from Hello Baby's side, kindly go to my YouTube channel, Brian Vlogs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The subscription you give me, it will be the best support for me, because that will be one of my journeys to also on this space on YouTube.
Okay, guys, I want to end my video here. Go and check my brother. Love is for free, guys. And then maybe I'm running with rain all the time. When rain catch me on the way, I just boom. So guys, thank you so much. Show him Brian Vlog some love, much greeting. Actually, guys, he was looking for the watching hour. He qualified for the subscriber. And then, guys, please, watching hour only, guys. Wow, much greeting. More blessing to you. Show your son Hello Baby official here some love, guys. Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye, guys. See you.